All right. Get organized here. All right. So yesterday we talked about mean, and I'll be honest with you. That's the hardest one I get to teach you all week. Mean. Okay? Median. Super easy. Maybe. Do we all know how to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you know how to count, you can do median. Median is also median. It is the middle number when the numbers are in order. Oh, that's I know it's the hashtag, but in math it actually means number. So I abbreviated number with that hashtag, but in reality, hashtag means number in math. Okay, so median, it is the middle number when the numbers are in order. Okay, so step number 1. Step 1. Order the numbers from. Do you guys know the word least to greatest? What does least to greatest mean? Yes? Yeah. So from least to greatest means the smallest number to the biggest number. Okay, so step 1, order the numbers from least to greatest. Step 2, cross out from each end. I don't know how to write that. It's more, once you see it, you'll be like, oh, I get what she means by cross out each end. Might be a little confusing right now, but once we start doing these problems, you're like, oh, yeah, I get it. Okay. All right, that's it. 2 steps. Cross out the numbers, and then you'll get one in the middle. You get a number right in the middle. We're looking for the middle number. What's right in the middle? All right, Diego, so let's see. If I give you the numbers 5, 10, 8, 12, 30, and I want to know, okay, what is the median? Question mark. What is the median? I have these numbers. So what's your first step? No, you skipped step 1. The answer is not 8. The answer is not 8. Put them in order. What's the one thing kids get wrong? They don't put them in order, so they get it wrong. Put them in order. So what's my smallest number? 5. What's my other next number? Small. 8. Then, and then 30. Are they in order? Yes. So now that they are in order, you're going to cross out the ends. So the front end, the back end, the front end, the back end. Oh, yay! I have one number in the middle. 10. That's your median. So what is a median? 10. That's easy. Yeah, but what do kids do? Number 1 mistake, they forget to put them in order. And then they'll be like, oh, okay. Oh, look, my answer is 8. I'm like, well, are your numbers in order? No. Does it matter? Yeah. Because you get a different answer. Okay? I told you, yesterday was the hardest. The adding and dividing, that's the hardest. Today is, like, if you can count, you're set. Any questions? I mean, I'm going to give you more, but this is it. That's the median. I mean, there's one step harder, and I'll show you in a second, but let's write this number. Let's write these numbers down. Let's go 15, 7, 16, 4, 9, 10, 7. Yeah. It's okay to repeat. And then again, not repeating. All right. So first, write down the list. Is my middle number 4? No, that would be the lazy way and the wrong way. Put them in order. What I like to do when I put them in order is write it and then cross out the number so I know I already wrote it down. Sometimes, like, you repeat a bunch of numbers and it's hard to keep track. Did I already write that down? Okay. And then I like to count. There's 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Another mistake I see kids do, they'll forget to write a number. So I always double check. Okay, there's 7. There's 7. We're good. All right. Cross out the ends. 1. What's my middle number? 9. Right? Question? Don't you just hate those even numbers? I'll show you right now. Median is equal to 9. We're done. What do you have to do? Put them in order. Middle number is your median. Median, middle, median, kind of sound the same. Median. Oh, like a medium shirt. Have you ever worn a medium shirt? Isn't that size like in the middle? It's a small, medium, large. Medium is in the middle. So think of median like that, in the middle. Because I taught you mean. Now I'm teaching you median. Another mistake I see kids do is they'll mix up what to do. They're like, which one do I add and divide? Which one do I put in order? Oh, I don't know. It's all mixed up in my brain. Median, sure. All right. So we have a question of what happens when there's 2 numbers in the middle, right? Okay. So I'm going to give you the next set of numbers in order so we don't waste our time. I'm not wasting our time. I'm not wasting our time. Let's write 60, 70, 72, 2, 3, 4, 80, and 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Are they in order? Yeah. So we're not focused on put them in order. Let's say we already did that step. So now they're in order, right? Yay! Now we're going to cross them out. Front, the back, the front, the back. Uh-oh. Do we see how we have 2 numbers in the middle? Okay. So we have 2 numbers in the middle. But I want to know, what's the number in the middle? If I have 2 numbers, I got to figure out what number is in the middle of those numbers. So there's 2 ways to do it. There's the common sense way, or there's the math way. Some of you can look at this and use common sense to figure out what number is in the middle of 70 and 72. What's in the middle of 70 and 72? Right. That's using common sense, right? You're like, oh, wait, in the middle of 70 and 72? Well, 71. 70, 71, 72. So in the middle would be 71, which means that is equal to my median. That is using common sense, okay? Yes. When there are 2 numbers in the middle, find the real middle number. Okay, here's how you do it mathematically, because this one was pretty easy to do, right? You use common sense. Most of you yelled out 71, which is awesome. Sounds like you figured that out. But what if it's like kind of hard? What you do is you add the 2 numbers, and then you divide by 2. So if you don't know what the real middle number is, then you would add the two numbers and then divide by 2. Add the two numbers and then divide by 2. So if I were to add these two, 70 plus 72, I get 142. Let's pretend I don't know it's 71, okay? Let's pretend I don't know it's 71. So I would add the two numbers and then divide by 2. Why am I dividing by 2? Well, how many numbers did you add? 2, so you divide by 2. You're finding kind of like the mean, the average. All right. Nathan, can you fix your mask, please? What's up? Then it's that number. So, and you'll get that sometimes. So that's a very good point, Tanya. Like if you get the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 6, 7, 8. Trying to make this even. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh no! 4 and 4 in the middle, right? Yeah, then it's that number. What's in the middle of 4 and 4? Nothing. It's 4. Anyways, if I add 4 plus 4, I get 8 divided by 2, 4. So it would be that. Now again, if you have two numbers, and you don't know what's in the middle, then you would add the two numbers and divide by 2. And I get 71, which is what I got. All right. So let me see if I can find you a better example. I mean, this is a good example. I need a better example. Huh? You don't get it? Okay. Let's say I have 55, 60, 86, hold on, 55 plus 6, oh, okay, plus, let's say 90, okay, short list, well, here's a perfect example, right, 4 numbers, you put them in order, then you cross them out. Front, back, there's 2 numbers, right? You're trying to find, okay, what's in the middle of 60 and 86? 7. It's not as easy, right? It's not like the other one that was like 70, 72, 71, right? What do you say, Gia? 73? All right, we'll check in a second. Maybe. Is it easy to use common sense? No, it's not as easy as the other one. So when you have 2 numbers and you're like, I don't know what's in the middle. Who knows? It might even be a decimal. Cool. What you do is we're going to add them. So let's go ahead. Step 1 is to add the 2 numbers in the middle. Good. 6, 14, 146. Is that the number in the middle? No. We have to divide. 146 divided by 2. 7 gives you 14. Bring down the 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times. That gives you 6. We're zeroed out. So our median is equal to 73. But this is a perfect example of if you have 2 numbers left and you can't really look and find it, then add them and divide by 2. This is where you divide by 2. Now, if the numbers, let's say the number was 8, 10. Okay, what's in the middle of 8 and 10? 9, right? What if it was, let's 10 and 30? What's in the middle of 10 and 30? 20, right? Those, maybe you can use some common sense. If not, add and divide by 2. Add and divide by 2. Oh, We got to fill in the chart. Find your chart. The blank number in a set of data. What's another word? The blank number. The what? The what kind of number? What is median? What's another word for median? Middle. Good. The middle number. Step 1. Put the numbers in numerical order. Find the middle number. If you have two middle numbers, find the middle. It's actually average, I think. So if you're finding the average, you're doing actually this: add and divide. A little bit of both. All right. So let's do this example. Let's put them in order. Put these numbers in order. 2, 3, 3, 5, and 7. You have to put them in order. All right. Cross them out. What do we get? Awesome. Circle it. All right. You know what it means? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, find the median. You don't need a calculator for this one, right? You just have to put them in order. Make sure you cross these out. You literally show your work. When you get these on your homework, this is you showing work right here. Like, you didn't get it's coming. This is showing work for your homework. Okay? Literally putting them in order, crossing them out. That's showing work. So even this needs work. All right. On the little sheet, gives you two examples. One that's really nice. The other one where you have two numbers in the middle and you have to add and divide. All right. What I want you to do is underneath, I want you to put them in order. So for number 1, yes, I need to see you putting them in order. My answer is not 11. Oh gosh. So 11, then 13, 23, 37, 45, and 58. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put them in order. Please don't copy me. You can put these numbers in order all by yourself. All right, let's start crossing them out. Uh-oh. Two numbers, right? What do I do when I have two numbers? Add and divide. You can add them in your notebook on the side. I'm going to put my paper here. I'm going to glue it here. So underneath, I'm just going to show my work. So 23 plus 37. Literally going to glue it on top, right, of my work. That's cool. So 3 plus 7 is 10, carry the 1, 60? Did you guys get 60 when you added it? Yeah. Okay, now 60 divided by 2. 30. So that's my answer. My median is 30. Because I had to add the two numbers that were left in the middle, and then I divide it by 2.